Is your WordPress website displaying 404 not found error message? Then this video is for you. Now, this is my website, right? The home page is working perfectly well, but when I tried checking my About Us page, boom, I get an error message like this. Or I tried accessing my portfolio page, boom, an error message like this, which is bad for business, right? Now, how do we solve this problem? Why does this problem keep occurring? A 404 not found error message occur when there's a missing htaccess file in your file manager. Now, how do we solve this problem? We can solve this problem in two ways. One, either you log into your WordPress dashboard, or you go to your file, log in to your file manager through your cPanel account, then you install new .htaccess file. Now, but in this video, we are going to be using the quickest means, which is the fastest means, that is through your WordPress dashboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm just come here, right? Then I'll log into my WordPress dashboard. I'll click dashboard. So I'm just going to right click on it. Dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard, right? So I will come to my settings. Now we'll go to permalinks. Click on it. Here, we are not touching anything. Note, you don't touch anything. All you have to do is come here, then click on Save Changes. As soon as you click on the Save Changes, a new .htaccess file will be regenerated to your file manager. This is how you do it. So now that we've done this, I'll just come to this page displaying this 404 error message. Then I'll refresh this. You see now, it's working fine. Likewise here, our portfolio page, it's working fine. Just check any of the pages. They are all working fine. So guys, this is how you solve a 404 not found WordPress error message. I hope this video was very helpful. In order to get more insightful and helpful content like this, kindly like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.